Good day, fellow mathematicians. Welcome back to our video. Today, we're going to discuss another topic in business mathematics. And that topic is examples of conversion of decimals to fractions. Examples of conversion of decimals to fractions. Previously, in the last few videos, we have discussed the notion of what a decimal is and its fundamental operations. And previously, in the last video, we have discussed the process on how to convert the non-terminating repeating decimals into the fraction world. Now, let's have another example of those material, shall we? Let's dive right in. Halimbawa, convert, let's say 32.03256, 256, and so on into fractions. Previously, I have presented you ano nga yung method kung paano gawin yan. And now, let's dive right into the problem. Ngayon, ano yung step 1 natin kung naalala nyo? Solution. Hindi ko na gagawin yung yung long method. Ganito na lang yung ginagawa ko. Inilet ko yun na x, yung given, 32.03256,256 and so on. 'Di ba? Okay. Nilet ko lang. Bakit ganun na? Let x. Nako. Sabi ko na ba may kulang eh. Delete natin yan. Ulit. Let x be equal to 32.03256,256 and so on. Okay? Ililet ko siya sa x. Ngayon, ano yung repeated pattern niya? Yung repeating pattern is ano guys? Is 256. Ngayon, isusulat ulit natin yung given dito 32.03256,256. Kasi may goal kung bakit siya dapat isulat dyan. And isa pang 256. And so on. Ngayon. Paano gagawin natin? Ang gagawin natin, for equation 1, para makuha equation 1, anong gagawin natin? Bibilangin natin kung ilang digit from the first repeated pattern. Sino yung first repeated pattern? Ito. Nagkagulo. Itong 256. Yan yung unang repeated pattern. Ilan ang distance ng yellow na yan from this decimal point? Ilan digits sa pagitan ng decimal point saka yung first repeated pattern? That's right. As you can see, dalawa. Okay? Ayun. Dalawa. So, ibig sabihin, the construction is we have 2 digits. Hence, ano gagawin natin? Multiply by 2 squared. 10 raised to the second power or 10 squared, which is equal to 100. So, yung x natin, i-multiply mo sa 100. So, yung given mo, 32 point di ba yan? Ang gagawin mo is you will move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So, mapupunta dito yung decimal point mo. Ano mangyayari? This is, which is equal to 3203.256, and so on. Tama? Yan yung una mong number. This is equation 1. Ngayon, what is equation 2? Equation 2. How do we determine equation 2? Ganito. Yung second predictive pattern, which is itong 256 na to, ilan yung digits from this decimal point dun sa yellow na naka-square na yan or rectangle? Ilang digits yan? So, if you can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and very good, 5. There are 5 digits. Nakikita nyo? There are 5 digits between the decimal point and the second repeated pattern. So, ano mangyayari? We have 5 digits. Hence, multiply by 10 raised to the 5 power, or ilan yung number 5? So, ilan 0? 5 din. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is 100,000. So kung ilan yung exponent, ganun karami yung zero. Ganun lang naman yung palatandaan doon, di ba? So we will be multiplying the letter x or yung x na decimal into 5 into 100,000. So ano mangyayari? This is 100,000 x is equal to saan? Ngayon, yung given mo, ilipat natin dito. Yung given mo na yan, ang mangyayari, you will move the decimal point 5 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nandito na yung decimal point mo. Tama? So, ano yan? This is, tanggalin natin yung ano. This is 32.03256.256 and so on. Tama ba? This is, nandito kasi yung decimal point mo, magiging 3,256. Tama ba? Okay. Yan ang 100,000. So, anong gagawin mo? You will subtract, and this is equation number 2, by the way. So, ang gagawin mo, equation 2 minus equation 1. Ano mangyayari, guys? We will be subtracting. So, this is 100,000x is equal to 32,03256.256 and so on. Tapos ano 100x is equal to 3,203.256 and so on. Okay, so let's put a line right over here. And ngayon, pakita natin yung ruler. By the way, guys, we have a ruler dito. So para talagang mathematicians. So yan, may ruler tayo and this is subtraction. Okay, ang gagawin natin, this is 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Pansinin nyo, tapos ibababa mo yung decimal point. So naging whole number ka na, di ba? Kasi kapag whole number ka, kailangan yung fractional part po ay puro 0, which is successfully done. Tama? 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Baba mo yung 0. Hindi ko pala nagawa. Lagyan mo ng 0 yung mga walang laman. So, 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. Baba mo yung equal sign. So, 100,000x minus 100x is 99,900x. Tama ba? 99,900x. So, this will just become an algebra problem. 99,900x is equal to, 320, 3 million ba? 3, basta 3, 5, 6. Tama, 3,200,053. So, divide both sides by 99,900. 99,900. Divide both sides by 99,900. We'll be getting, therefore, x is just equal to 3,253,53, diba? Tama ba? 253. Nalito din ako sa mga zeros, no? All over 99,900. So, therefore, isa pang therefore na malaki, 32.03256,256 and so on is just equal to its fractional counterpart, ito, 53, all over 99,900. So, paano natin yung i-check into the calculator? We will be plugging this into the calculator. Ngayon, paano? Ngayon, let's have, 323053, diba? 53 all over 99, 9, ito. It's just equal to, diba, 32,032,56,256,256 and so on. So, ibig sabihin, gan ang sagot dun sa problem natin. So, tama yung ginawa natin, guys. Na nakikita nyo, ibig sabihin, tama yung ginawa nating process. Now, Ngayon, anong pwede natin gawin? Exercise para sa inyo, mga mathematicians. Ito ang exercise ninyo. Exercise. I want you to write it in your notebook. Yung mga estudyante ko dyan, or kung mga hindi ko man estudyante nanonood, just try it on your own on a piece of paper. Convert 0.0123, 123, 2, 2, 2, 2, and so on into a fraction. I want you to convert this decimal, this non-terminating repeating decimal, into a fraction. Yun ang gusto natin gawin. I hope you learned something today. I hope that you have appreciated this lecture about the conversion of this type of decimal, non-terminating repeating decimal, into a fraction. And in the next video, we will be discussing the conversion of the terminating decimals, which is easier, into fractions. And until then, mathematicians, keep safe and have a great day. Goodbye now.